Hi everyone. This video will read the story, The Mysterious Package. Try to imitate and read along with me. Also, at the end of the video, you may want to go to the other video that goes with this, which is the practicing the words. There'll be a link in the comments for that. Okay, The Mysterious Package. One day, a woman named Anna received a mysterious package in the mail. She didn't recognize the return address, and there was no note inside to explain who it was from or what was inside. Anna was curious, but also a little nervous. She didn't know if she should open the package or not. After debating for a while, she finally decided to take a chance and open it. Inside, she found a beautiful antique mirror. It was ornately carved and had a delicate gold frame. Anna was amazed. She had never seen anything like it before. But as she looked into the mirror, she saw something strange. Instead of her own reflection, she saw a room she didn't recognize. The room was dark and eerie, and she felt a chill run down her spine. Anna was frightened, but also intrigued. She couldn't resist the urge to explore the strange room in the mirror. So she reached out and touched the glass. To her surprise, her hand went right through the mirror, as if it wasn't even there. She hesitated for a moment, but then stepped through the mirror and into the mysterious room. Once inside, Anna found herself in a different world. The room was full of strange objects and unusual creatures. She explored the room and discovered that each object had a story to tell. There was a rusty old key that opened a secret door. A dusty old book that held the secrets of the universe, and a crystal ball that could predict the future. As she continued to explore, Anna realized that the mirror was not just a mirror, but a portal to another world. She had been chosen to explore this magical place and discover its secrets. From that day on, Anna visited the magical room every day, and her life was never the same. She learned new things, met new friends, and discovered a world of wonder that she had never known existed. And all because of a mysterious package and a magical mirror. That's the end of the story. Go to the link in the comments and practice the vocabulary words if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can find me again. Hope you like this story.